Okay, what is up, everybody? We have a 3-minute backyard HIIT workout today. You can do this in your backyard. You can do it anywhere. We're gonna walk through it all together, and then we're gonna do the full thing all out. Let's get started. All right, it is time to get started with that 3-minute backyard HIIT workout. Remember, you can do this in your backyard, you can do this in your house, in your gym, wherever you want. We're gonna start with doing the moves. First, I'm gonna show you what to do, then we'll do it all out. So first move here is mountain climbers. If you don't know what this is, you're gonna come down to your mat or your floor, bring your hands shoulder width apart, feet hip width apart, and pull your knees to your chest. So we're gonna do this fast. If you can't take it fast, because this is good to bring your heart rate up, if you need to modify, you can always do slow, one knee at a time. If you need to take it slower than that, you can come down to all fours, so like a tabletop position, and pull your knee into your chest, just making sure that as you pull the knee to the chest, you're pulling that belly button in toward your spine and you're crunching through your abs. So that is your modified mountain climber. From there, we are going to do a jumping jack to a squat. So not as hard as it sounds, like you would start a normal jumping jack, bring your feet shoulder width apart, and you're going to jump into a squat. So kind of like a jump squat, but with a jumping jack involved, bringing those arms overhead. If you need to take this slow, you can always do it slow, and step together, and step out. So 30 seconds for all of these movements. 30 seconds for that jumping jack to squat. From there, we're going to do ski jumps. So, kind of like you're a ski bunny, or you're just doing ski jumps. So, we're gonna hop side to side. Try to keep your feet together as you jump side to side. So, keep the core in, keep the chest up, and you're hopping side to side. Ideally, you'd wanna take this a little faster if you can, but if you need to take it slower, if you need to just take it to a step out even, if you need to slow it down, that's fine too. So ski jumps, 30 seconds. After that, we're going into jumping lunges. These ones are real fun. So you are going to go to a lunge position. In that lunge position, your goal is to have your hip right above your knee. So straight line down your spine to your knee. And then you want your knee over your ankle, so that you have a straight line here. You don't wanna have that knee going forward way in front of your ankle. So, jump, lunges, alternating here. If you need to just step back, that's fine too. You can take it just to a stepped lunge. After that, last one, these ones are called pop jacks. These are fun. Some people call them touchdowns, whatever you'd like to call them. These are a fun one. Last movement, you're going to touch down, come together, touch down. So again, that's feet together, hand down. And if you need to go halfway, pretend like you're touching the ground, or if you need to take it slower, you can go slower. That's fine too. And that is your 3-minute backyard HIIT. So let's take it from the top and do this whole thing all out. Okay, time to dig into that 3-minute backyard HIIT workout. We're gonna take it from the top, starting with those mountain climbers. So down to our mats or our soft spot in the grass. Remember, hands shoulder width apart, abs in, flat back, and 30 seconds here doing those mountain climbers. Keep the abs in, the hips low, and the back flat. You're staring right at your hands. If you need to modify, you can always come down to that tabletop position and pull your knee towards your opposite elbow. We're gonna take it faster again here. Really pulling those abs in, finish it strong here. You wanna start this workout strong. 3, 2, and 1. Awesome job. Go ahead and take a little breather before we get started with those jumping jacks to a squat. So going in 3, 2, and 1. Remember, when you're doing this squat, to press your hips backwards. So you want your knees over your toes and the booty grows. So knees right over the toes, sit it back, keep the chest lifted. Remember those hands up, relax through the hands. 2 more, last one. Awesome. You killed that. Take a little breath. We're gonna get started with those ski jumps. Remember, keeping those feet together. 3, 2, and 1, ski jumps. So like side to side hops, but try to keep your legs glued together as one. Remember, if you need to take it slow, you can slow it down. If you need to even take it to a step, that's okay too. Make sure you keep moving, keep breathing. That's the most important part. So keep doing those ski jumps, bang them out. Remember your breath here. You need that oxygen. 3, 2, and 1. You killed that. Time for those jump lunges. So I'm gonna take a turn to the side here. If you need to start and set yourself up with that first lunge, take it to a jump. 30 seconds here for those jump lunges. Keep your chest lifted. Try to keep the knee right below the hip and that front knee right above the ankle. If you need to take it to a step, that's okay too. Remember, focusing on that form. Form is super important. And almost there. 3, 2, last one. And final movement, those pop jacks or touchdowns. So catch your breath. And last movement, pop jacks. Ready? Touch together. Touch together. These ones are fun. Have some fun with it. Remember to catch your breath here. Push your hips towards the back as you're doing these. If you need to take it a little higher, that's okay too. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Woo, that was awesome. You guys killed that. Make sure if you liked that workout, you subscribe to our channel, check out the other awesome workouts we have for you, and we'll see you on the next one.